How to get Frontier Airlines promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in Frontier Airlines and search for it. Now click on this website option, frontier.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Frontier Airlines. Now you can log into your account, book your flights, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, type in the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. But where can you get Frontier Airlines promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Frontier Airlines promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get Frontier Airlines promo code. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. You can see that 75% off, 90% off, 10% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on See Details. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now click on Redeem at Frontier Airlines. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Frontier Airlines. Log into your account, book your flight. While you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Frontier Airlines. So this is how you can easily get Frontier Airlines promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.